Hey guys, Chuck Jones here with Chuck Jones Digital Marketing Lab at chuckjonesmarketing.com. And I wanted to shoot this short little quick video to give you an announcement. Get excited. Now, if you're into affiliate marketing and you've been struggling and to try to make this into a full-time career for yourself, then I'm going to introduce you to a training that's just been released that you need to get your hands on like right now. Now, this training is called the Affiliate Bootcamp. And this is where Russell Brunson, the CEO, one of the founders with ClickFunnels, has put together, really has asked about 98 different super affiliates, okay, to actually give their input on what they would do to actually take their part-time income and turn it into a full-time earnings that they did. So what happens is he had 15 of these top affiliates agree to share with us, with you, their secrets. Okay, exactly how they did that, step by step. Okay, so what you need to do is, this is why I'm introducing this to you, somewhere on this page or below this thread, or maybe in my YouTube channel in the description, find the link, click it, go to this page, and subscribe. When you do, you would be on my VIP list then, but you would be taken straight over to this page, and you will see actually introducing you to the Dream Team. These are the super affiliates who decided to actually give you and serve you to the highest level with all of their knowledge of how they did what they did. Who does this in the industry? This is why it's that important that if you want to change your life and get access to hands-on, step-by-step training, what they did day 1, what to do day 2, what to do day 3, day 4, and so on. Okay? So meet some of the people that's going to be giving you all of their secrets. Okay. One of the guys that right here, I totally gone to a lot of his workshops and stuff. Billy Jean, phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. So what you need to do when you get on this page, go ahead and register. Put your email in here, follow instructions, and when you do, you will land on this page. I suggest that you watch this video till its entirety. Do exactly what he's saying here, and with this one-time special offer, get into the one funnel away challenge, okay? Because this is going to get you access to all 15 speakers' blueprints with over 158 pages in this free book he's going to send you in this package. Okay, so you cannot miss out on this training right here. This training is phenomenal. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you. Get into the one funnel away challenge. This will get you access to these interviews where you're going to have day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4 at the top here unlocked. And this will get you into the Affiliate Bootcamp. All right. This is Chuck Jones with the Chuck Jones Digital Marketing Lab at chuckjones.com, at chuckjonesmarketing.com. And I want to thank you for watching. We look to see you on the other side. Take care. Bye-bye.